friends, so I have my seed starting station set up. First year of doing seed starting. So I've got my seed starting bags down there. I got all of my trays that are set into a drip pan so I can water from bottom up. I have my light. I have, of course, all my seeds. Those are my garden seeds. These are my flowers. So it's getting closer, but not quite time. And that is with the light on. So Jerry got it set up for me. He brought in a 4-foot table and hooked up the light and everything that we bought at an auction. So yeah, my first one is going to be, so right here is my celery. This has to be started 8 to 12 weeks before last frost. I'm in zone 6A. My last frost, they say, is May 24th. So next week to the following week. So that would be the first one. And then my next one is going to be my cabbage. So, and then the flowers are, what are 5 to 7 weeks. So those will be going too. So basically I am going to do a tray for my flowers. And then I have a couple trays here for the rest of them. So yeah, and still no snow yet, but it's not supposed to start until about 1 o'clock. So, but anyways, it is all set up and ready to go. We don't use this room now that as much now that we have the sunroom. So this will be perfect because there's a register down below. We still get sunlight in here, and this will be kept on. So the new adventure begins. Hey friends, lunch today is a tuna fish sandwich on our homemade white bread and ruffled potato chips. It is a 9-point lunch. 3 points for the 1 slice of bread, 1 point for the mayo inside. The tuna is 0, and 5 points for the ruffled chips. So that is 5, 8, 1 more is 9. 9 points. Hey friends, so I have started a year-long mystery knit along, and it is through Expression Fibers, and this is clue 1. Clue 2 came out the other day, and so I didn't think I had anything in my stash, and it takes 1,320 yards, and this is what it is called. So they are using 12 different skeins, and I don't have 12 different ones that coordinate. So I did find this yarn right here. It has some speckles in it. I've had this a long time. Like when I say long, probably 8 years, 10 years, something like that. But I had 3 of these, and it is going to be a little short. Like I said, it needed 1,320 yards. I've got 1,305, and my thought process is either I will try to find something that I can pull out as an edging, or just see what that last clue is, and maybe it will just end early. But it's going to be a shawl, and it is a center start, and this is looking so pretty, and this is clue 1 so far. So I'm doing it on a US 5 Not for sure the millimeters to that, and magic loop is how I'm doing it. So during our snowstorm, so that's what I have been doing today in between laundry and baking that bread and stuff. But it's hard to say how much we are getting right now. It is very windy, and you can every once in a while see the snow being gusted like a whiteout, and the little birds are just going like crazy on the feeders. So Jerry's going to have to go out and reload everybody's platform feeders, because the one that has the majority of it is right here. You can see by the wave of the flag when the wind kicks up. So lots of cardinals today too. And that one up on the suet feeder in the back is a starling. They tend to come in droves, and they will chase all the others out. Usually we don't see those until springtime, so. But everybody's just trying to, they know that there's going to be lots of snow and stuff, that storm. So I just been sitting out in the sunroom just watching the birds as I knit. But you can see all those sparrows. Oh, there, the wind's starting to gust a little bit. It's hard to pick up on the camera. But lots of birds. It is 22 degrees out though. And this, they said, has arrived a little sooner than they expected. So. But anybody else like to bake when it is bad weather out? I asked my mom about it. She said not her. It wasn't her. She likes to cook but not bake. And I knew that she didn't like to bake. So, but I really do like to bake. So, but anyways, I'm going to let you go. But I just thought I would show you what I've been looking at as I am knitting. Happy Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday. February 12th. Oh my goodness. So I'm just going to touch in real quick because I've been snipping, as I would say, all day long today. So, but I will show you what we have for supper, not for sure what it is. That, what I'm calling that cinnamon bread is really a nutmeg bread, because we don't do cinnamon very well, and my mom definitely doesn't. So it's nothing that's going to tempt me. I had a little piece, like a bite, like a half point, if that, because I'm sure it's up there in points, but it wasn't anything that I went, ooh, I really like. I did try the inside a little, and that flavoring is throughout, but Mr. Jerry really likes it. So next time I make it, he asked if I could cut back on the nutmeg, and I said of course I can. So, and I'll see. He thinks it'd be good with pecans in it, but the man loves pecans. So, but he definitely said it was a keeper. So yeah, so today has just been, you know, keeping up on the kitchen area. After I make a mess, I clean it up, and got laundry going, needs to go in the dryer yet. And then I decided to start a year-long mystery thing, and so I'm just all over the place with my crafts lately, but that's all right. Those are the options that we get. And so other than that, you will probably see my supper, and then anything else that might afterwards. So I am going to say thanks again, my friends. I hope that your Wednesday is a great one, and I hope that who's ever in the path of the storm, that you stay safe and warm, because I don't know about you, but I've been cold today, and maybe it's just the thought of seeing the snow and being so cold. But I just made a hot drink, so because I'm cold, and I'm under my I doubled up my temperature blanket from last year on me, on my lap. So I'm gonna go try to finish this clue 1 today, and then we'll see what else I can do today. I've been knitting on my green shorty sock. Have not touched my other 2 socks yet. Have not cross stitched. Haven't felt like it. Didn't sew today. So, you know. But anyways, I hope you're well, my friends, and don't have too much to talk about. Just, I guess, a lot of show and tell today of different things. So thanks again, and hopefully I will see you on Thursday. Hey friends, supper tonight is going to be our goulash, and our goulash is elbow macaroni for 5 or 6 points, and we use 93% lean beef, so that's 0 points now. Corn is 0 points, and for the tomato soup, we use our homemade tomato soup, which is just tomatoes. So that will make this a 5 or 6. I cannot remember which one it is. Plus I have a glass of 2% milk, so it will be 11 points.